What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be explaining the power hour continuation report on edgeful.com. So here we're in the price action report type, looking obviously at the power hour continuation report, looking at YM in the New York session in the last 6 months. So for those of you who don't know, the power hour is the last hour of the session. So if you're looking at the New York session, it's from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern time. So what does this report measure? It will tell you if starting at 3 p.m. the day is green, what is the likelihood it will stay green in that last hour? If the day is red up until 4 p.m. or 3 p.m., what is the likelihood it will continue in that direction? So the way to look at it is to check where is my 3 p.m. I just put a box here to indicate the power hour section. So you can see the open of power hour is right here, this yellow line. The open of the day is right here. I'll just switch this to green. This green line. So clearly, price was, or the day at the time of power, at the start of power hour was green. So I'll make that green. So what this is saying now is if from the open to 3 p.m. is green, there is on YM in the last 6 months, there is a 90 or 89% chance that price is going to close green on the day. So now what do I mean by closing green on the day? That means that it will close above this opening price. So anywhere in this area, so there is a 90% chance that it will close anywhere above this green line or the open of the day. So that is incredible for YM, that if all you have to do is check, where is my opening price? Where is my price at 3 p.m.? My opening price at 3. Is it green or is it red? And expect continuation in that direction for the last hour. So if you trade futures, you can trade directionally. You can have a very bullish bias here. And your stops can definitely be below this area over here. If price moves down into this area, it's unlikely, but it is something that you can count as an invalidated trade. But you want to have a bullish bias like we see here on this day. If you're an options seller, you can say, I want to sell options down here. And there's an extremely high probability that price is not going to close there on the day. So taking advantage of some theta decay, of options like collecting credit, you can do that over here with a very high probability. So the customization now will allow you to move back the times. So what do I mean by that? You can see here, my power hour starts at 3 p.m. But if I just change this to 2 hours of power hour, that's from 2 p.m. Eastern to 4 p.m. Eastern. So what am I doing now? I've gone back to start at 2 p.m. And again, it's still green. So let me move this. So what you need to check now is from here to here. So this is the opening of the 2 p.m. candle is right here. And you can clearly see that price was green so far on the day at this time. Let's pretend that we don't have this price action, obviously. So let's pretend very obviously green on the day relative to the opening price. So what is the likelihood that it will stay green? And again, green meaning closing above this area. You can see very high. So this is how you can use the customization, is to kind of say like, how far back do I want my power hour to go? But this is how you use this report. We also have it by weekday. And there are some explainers down here. And the video will obviously go down here. So the one that you're watching right now will be right here. But if you have any questions on this, we're also going to add a customization to this very soon that will allow you to see whether it closes above or below the open of the 3 p.m. price. So some people were saying, can I see it based on whether it's going to close above or below this area, not this area, which is coming soon. But if this was helpful, please like, comment, subscribe. Really helps us out. Thank you.